are going to be testing out these products here. These are the L'Oreal Paris Elvive Dream Lengths Restoring Shampoo and Conditioner. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video, it's all about the hair. We are going to be testing out these products here. So these are the L'Oreal Paris Elvive Dream Lengths Restoring Shampoo and Conditioner. It just says on here, with vegetal keratin and castor oil, reinforces fragile lengths, long damaged hair. So my hair's not long, it's like medium length, but I would love for it to be long, and my hair certainly is damaged. At the minute, my hair is tamed with a bobble. Let's release it. My hair's greasy. It doesn't look greasy because it has like the world's supply of dry shampoo in my hair. Is what we are dealing with. It feels so dry, so dry. I mean, can you hear that? It's really crispy. I'm really not into crispy hair. So yes, we're gonna go and head into the shower and get these babies on to see what they are like. Let's head on over there. Before we do, if you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Come on over, enjoy my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. Helps my channel out so much. Little note as well. I cannot smell anything at the minute. I'm literally just getting over a bit of a head cold and sore throat and bad chest and all of that. And my smell is very minimal, especially at the moment when I've got one blocked nostril, which is fabulous. So at a later date, I will comment down below in the comment section what these smell like, because I don't think I'm going to be smelling much today.
So on the bottle it says, a restoring shampoo, a creamy conditioning formula, works in affinity with the hair fibre from root to tip. Say goodbye to long damaged lengths. Our formula is enriched with a cocktail of vegetal keratin, vitamins and castor oil. It nourishes and helps strengthen the lengths to prevent breakage, whilst helping to restore a healthy look and luscious feel to your hair. Our detangling conditioner works in affinity with the hair fibre from root to tip for stronger, healthier looking lengths. Don't let tangles win. Our formula is enriched with a cocktail of vegetal keratin, vitamins and castor oil. It detangles and helps strengthen lengths to prevent breakage, whilst nourishing to keep long hair looking shiny.
Right, so hair all washed and conditioned, out the shower. I've put my clothes on, put my face on, now time to dry and style my hair. I'm going to be using the Tresemme Heat Protectant, and I'm going to be using my Revlon One Step Styler as well. I will speed through this for you.
If you have any recommendations for any shampoos and conditioners you'd like me to try out and do a review on, please comment down below.
All finished, all styled. I must admit my hair feels really nice. The ends feel nice and soft. Yeah, it just feels really nice. When I was in the shower and I was obviously washing my hair, when I got to the conditioner part of it, yeah, my hands seemed to slide through. It was really good at detangling, which is fantastic. The shampoo lathered really well. I really felt like at the end of my shower my hair had been cleansed and moisturized. Drying my hair was a different story. When I was drying my hair felt kind of knotty, which was a little bit disappointing, but this is the result right now, and yeah, not bad at all. I do have some other products from this range to try out. I've got the hair mask, I've got that water stuff, I can't remember the name of it. I've got the dry shampoo, the blow dry cream, so I'll have to give them a go as well. I think I might give the hair mask a go and see how we get on with that. But overall, really happy with it. Would definitely repurchase again. My hair, it does feel a little bit stronger. It doesn't feel thicker or anything like that, but just from having nice smooth ends alone, I think that's what makes it feel a bit stronger to me. And it hasn't got that crispy dry sound either when I touch my hair, which is also very nice. So that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.